We have a 2007 Cadillac DTS. Very beautiful. It's got that special pearly white coat color. Look at these wheels. Got the white trim on them. Cadillac. Nice chrome. Let's walk around this thing. Dual exhaust. That big emblem looks very nice. All right. Ooh, this leather interior. All power options, of course. Cadillac. Steering wheel controls. Got 94,000 miles. Look at that. It's like brand new here. OnStar usually comes with a free 3-month trial. It's very, very nice. You can find this at Cars, Trucks, and More. We're located across from Family Video at 861 East Grand River. Our number is 517-546-7000. We offer financing. You can check us out online, ctmas.com. Fill out our loan app there and find all of our inventory.